Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss GD5 part first. Largest of India. All the largest of India. Question number first. Largest populated city in India. Largest populated city in India, Mumbai. Answer is Mumbai. Second question, largest fresh water lake. Largest fresh water lake in India, Wemenden Lake. Question number 3, largest salt water lake in India, Chilka. Chilka Lake, Odisha. Largest salt water lake in India, Chilka Lake. Question number 4, largest state in India, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Question number 5, largest populated state in India, Uttar Pradesh. Largest populated state in India, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 6, largest museum in India. Largest museum in India, Indian Museum, Kolkata. Indian Museum, Kolkata is the largest museum in India. Question number 7, largest zoo in India. Largest zoo in India, Zoological Garden, Karnataka. Zoological Garden, Karnataka is the largest zoo in India. Question number 8, largest dome in India. Largest dome, Gol Gumbad, Karnataka. Gol Gumbad is the largest dome in India. Question number 9, largest mosque in India. Answer is Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid is the largest mosque. It is situated in New Delhi. Question number 10, largest desert in India. Largest desert, Thar Desert, situated in Rajasthan. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. Question number 11, largest river island. Largest river island, Majuli, Brahmaputra. Question number 12, largest monastery in India. Answer is Twang Monastery, Arunachal Pradesh. Twang Monastery, situated in Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 13, largest cave temple in India. Largest cave temple in India, Ellora, Maharashtra. Ellora, Maharashtra. Question number 14, largest animal fair. Largest animal fair in India, Sonpur Fair, Bihar. Largest animal fair, Sonpur Fair, situated in Bihar. Question number 15, largest plateau in India, Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. Question number 16, largest river in South India. Largest river in South India, answer Godavari. Godavari river is the largest river in South India. Question number 17, largest prison. Largest prison in India, Pujhal Jail, Chennai. Question number 18, largest planetarium. Largest planetarium, answer Birla Planetarium. Birla Planetarium. Question number 19, largest GPU. Largest GPU in India, Mumbai GPU. Question number 21, largest cinema theatre in India. Largest cinema theatre, Thangam Theatre. Question number 22, largest exhibition ground. Largest exhibition ground in India, Pragati Maidan, situated New Delhi. Pragati Maidan is the largest exhibition ground. Question number 23. Largest arc dam. Largest arc dam, Idukki Dam, Kerala. Idukki Dam is the largest arc dam in India. Question number 24. Largest library in India. Largest library, National Library, situated in Kerala, Kolkata. Situated in Kolkata, National Library is the largest library in India. Question number 25. Largest aircraft carrier. Largest aircraft carrier, INS Virat. INS Virat is the largest aircraft carrier. Question number 26. Largest landing ship. Largest landing ship, INS McGrath. INS McGrath is the largest landing ship. Question number 27. Largest union territory. Largest union territory in India, Andaman Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Question number 28. Largest Gurudwara. Largest Gurudwara in India, Golden Temple, situated in Amritsar. Largest Gurudwara in India, Golden Temple, Amritsar, Punjab. Question number 29. Largest residence in India. Largest residence in India, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the largest residence in India. Question number 30. Largest river barrage. Largest river barrage, Farakka barrage. Answer is Farakka barrage, the largest river barrage. Question number 31. Largest open university. Largest open university, Indira Gandhi Open University, New Delhi. There are so many universities in India, like NIUS, and the largest is Indira Gandhi Open University, situated New Delhi. Question number 32. Largest ocean island. Largest ocean island in India, Middle Andaman. Middle Andaman. Hopefully all students understand largest in India. Each and every students write on your GK copy and learn them. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.